Hey everybody, how's it going? David Madison here with Madison Power Washing. Got a special treat today. We are headed down to Fort Payne, Alabama. I am getting my vehicle. We just got it wrapped. I had a lot of prep work done, and of course we got a plane going over us. But going to Fort Payne, gonna pick up my vehicle, Toyota Sequoia wrapped, and so I'll show you guys a little bit on the way and show you the wrap when we get there. See you guys. Here it is. We're here to pick up the wrap. I think they did a really good job, fantastic job. It looks, my vehicle before it had a lot of messed up paint and everything. This just makes it look professional. I'm gonna try to get a better video when I get to the house. The roof didn't get done, but I didn't ask him to do the roof. I'm gonna paint it blue. We're gonna run over and get some milkshakes here. There's a coffee shop, and then we're gonna get back to Chattanooga. See you guys. We're just walking up the street. It's Fort Payne's not the biggest town, but it's pretty cool. A lot of cool shops. We're gonna go get some orange cream milkshakes, like an orange popsicle. We're gonna do that. And then if you look just down the road, there's the wrap. Hey guys, we're here out the orange drink. Just grabbing the shake before we head back to Chattanooga. That little coffee shop here, so it's gonna be good. Well, we're done with that. It was excellent shake. Now we're gonna head back to Chattanooga, and I'll try to get a better video of the wrap when I get home. So just stay tuned. Okay, we got back a little bit ago and came over to some family's house for dinner. So I didn't video right when I got back, but I figured this is a good spot. But I was just gonna let everyone get one last view for now before I go do some washing this upcoming week. I thought it turned out really good. That's it for now. If you guys need any pressure washing, my number's there on the car, and then it's my website as well. Thank you guys.